It is 10:29 a.m. Friday morning, March 31st, 2023. Amtrak 43, the Pennsylvanians arriving Altoona, Pennsylvania, headed from Pittsburgh to New York. It's got two private cars owned by Charter Manufacturing on the rear, Imperial Leaf, and the Golden Moon. He's due to leave here at 10:01 a.m. He's on the Norfolk Southern Pittsburgh line, originally Pennsylvania Railroad. Here come the two private cars, Imperial Leaf and Golden Moon, owned by Charter Manufacturing Company, Mequon, Wisconsin, near Milwaukee. And they make iron and steel and manufacturing. Over and out.